Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Problem number 88 of Chemistry, the Central Science, Chapter 5. So consider the reaction H2 gas plus I2 solid yields 2HI. So we're going to use the bond enthalpies in table 5.4 to estimate delta H for the reaction, ignoring the fact that iodine's in the solid state. So here are our bond enthalpies. So we're going to do this 2 times 299. Don't forget we're using Hess's law. Delta H of reaction is equal to delta H of products minus delta H of reactants. So now we subtract back 155 plus 436. So we're going to put this in our calculators. 2 times 299 plus 151 plus 436. 6. So that is going to equal 11 kilojoules. 11 kilojoules per mole. So if I had to guess whether or not, now for part B, they want us to guess whether the estimate we make in part A for our delta H is more or less negative than the true reaction enthalpy. And I'm going to say it's probably going to be more negative than the reaction enthalpy. Because when we're looking at this reaction, we're looking at I2 in its solid state. However, if we look at when the reaction occurs, I2 in its solid state is going to be converted to I2 as I2 gas. And the conversion from solid to gaseous phase, that's going to be an endothermic process. That process is missing in our estimation, so the actual enthalpy for this reaction is going to be more positive than our estimate we have here. Now we're going to use the enthalpy formation from the true reaction enthalpy. So we have our delta HI, delta H formation for HI right here, 24.9 kilojoules per mole. Now remember, if the delta H formation for an element in standard state is always 0. So we have H2, that's an element in standard state, so it's delta H0, and we have I2 solid, which is an element in standard state, so it's always 0. So the delta H of reaction for this process, for this reaction, is going to be equal to the delta H of formation of HI. And so we can see that the delta H of formation of HI is in fact more positive than our estimated delta H. And we, as we said before, that's due to the fact that we're not taking into account the conversion of I2 solid to I2 gas, which is going to be an endothermic process, and that contributes to the positive number that we see here.